Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from the topic differentiation. The question is the gradient of the curve y equal to 2x cubed minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8 at x equal to 0 is. So the function given here is y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8, and we have to obtain the gradient of the curve. Now the gradient of the curve is given by dy by dx. So we say the gradient is equal to dy upon dx. So basically we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Now we take the derivatives individually. So we have 2 times, 2 is the coefficient, 2 times derivative of x cube minus 3 is the coefficient. So 3 times derivative of x square minus 12 is the coefficient. So minus 12 times derivative of x plus, now 8 is a constant term. So we have derivative of 8. Proceeding further, we get 2 times, now derivative of x cube, right, using the formula derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So if we apply that formula, we obtain derivative of x cube as 3x square minus 3 times derivative of x square is 2x minus 12 times derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 8, which is a constant term, and derivative of constant is 0. So we have dy by dx as 6x square minus 6x minus 12. But we have to find the gradient at x equal to 0. So we proceed further. Therefore, the gradient, that is dy by dx at x equal to 0 is equal to, so we substitute x as 0 in dy by dx. So 6 times 0, right, because the first term is 6x square. So 6 times 0 square minus 6 times x, that is minus 6 times 0 minus 12. Now 6 times 0 would be 0 minus again 6 times 0 would be 0 minus 12. So the value for the gradient is minus 12, and let's see which option is that. Option A. So the answer to this question is option A.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.